How to make Snapchat private account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can make our Snapchat completely private, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now there isn't a single toggle or something like that like Instagram and Facebook that will allow you to make your Snapchat account private, because if someone has your username or you show up in those quick add and suggestions, they will be able to add you. But you can choose to make it private if you go to the gear icon here. First of all, you delete your public profile. If you have any sort of public profile, just delete that public profile over here, right? Then once you've done that, you can just come to the gear icon, scroll down here under privacy control, set this to as private option as possible. So contact me, who can contact you, set this to friends. Instead of friends and contacts, select only friends. Who can use your Bitmoji avatar, select only me over here, so that no one else will be able to use it. Similarly, who can view your story, you can set this to custom and you can set it to only few people that you want to. These are the settings you can customize manually. See me in quick add, you can turn off this and uncheck this and people won't be able to add you from quick add. You can turn off your activity indicator so that other people won't be able to view your activity status. Your location as well, you can set this to ghost mode, and then you don't want to share, then you cannot share as well. So these are simply some of the privacy controls that you can set manually if you want to make your account private. It's not like Instagram or something where you tap on a single option, then your account will be completely private. That's not how it works. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.